Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Magi, and today I'm thrilled to share my personal journey of losing 50 pounds through intermittent fasting and weightlifting. Whether you've hit a plateau or just starting your weight loss journey, stick around because I'm spilling all my secrets to success. A little over a year ago, I found myself struggling with my weight. I tried every diet out there from keto to paleo, but nothing seemed to stick. I felt sluggish, lacked confidence, and knew I needed a change. That's when I stumbled upon intermittent fasting. But intermittent fasting wasn't my only game changer. I also incorporated weightlifting 3 times a week, which played a crucial role in my transformation. So, what exactly is intermittent fasting? In simple terms, it's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. I chose the 18-6 method, where I fast for 18 hours and have a 6-hour eating window each day. This method helped me control my calorie intake without feeling deprived. Plus, it improved my metabolism and boosted my energy levels. Now let's talk about weightlifting. Many people think lifting weights will make them bulky, but that's a myth. Strength training helped me build lean muscle, which not only toned my body, but also increased my resting metabolism, helping me burn more calories even at rest. I started with 3 sessions a week, focusing on full body workout 3 days a week. It was challenging at first, but seeing the progress kept me motivated. Of course, the journey wasn't all smooth sailing. I faced hunger pangs during fasting periods and struggled to find the right balance between fasting and workouts. Here's how I overcame these challenges. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helped curb hunger and kept me energized. Balanced meals. I focused on nutrient-dense foods during my eating window. Lots of veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Consistent workout schedule. I planned my workouts during my eating window to ensure I had the energy needed for strength training. These strategies made a huge difference and kept me on track towards my goal. After a year of dedication, I lost 50 pounds. But more importantly, I gained confidence, improved my health markers, and felt stronger than ever. Intermittent fasting combined with weightlifting didn't just change my body, it transformed my mindset. I learned discipline, patience, and the importance of a balanced approach to health. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye.